welcome and thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Keigh and I do Christian praise and worship song covers and tutorials on ukulele. For today's video is a ukulele tutorial of the worship song Siyasatin mo, Hesus. This ukulele tutorial is requested by Faith Antonil. Shout out sa'yo, Sibs, Faith Antonil, and thank you for requesting this song. Sobrang natutuwa ako dahil ni-request mo tong song na to para gamitin na special number sa church ninyo. And I hope na makatulong tong video na to para sa iyong pagpapractice. Okay? Without further much ado, let's get started. Kunin mo na yung ukulele mo and make sure na ito ay nasa standard tuning ng G, C, E, A. For this song, we're gonna need 7 chords, 7 easy chords. First chord is G. For the beginners, ito yung G. Index finger mo sa 3rd string, 2nd fret. Ito yung tinatawag na fret, as lagi kong sinasabi sa mga tutorial. So, 1st fret, 2nd fret, and so on. Ang numbering ng strings, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Lagi mo tatandaan, yung 1st string, yun yung pinakamalapit sa floor. String na malapit sa floor, and then yung 4th string, yun yung malapit sa yung face. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So, G chord, index finger sa 3rd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger sa 1st string, 2nd fret pa rin yan. And then yung ring finger mo sa 2nd string, 3rd fret. At ganito ang tunog ng G. Next is B minor. I-bar mo yung 2nd fret. And then yung ring finger mo sa 4th string ng 4th fret. Ganyan. Bar. And then ganyan. Ginagamit ko yung middle finger ko para mas hihigpit yung clip sa 2nd fret na yan. Sa index finger. So, ganito ang tunog ng B minor. Next is C chord. Very easy. Lagay mo lang yung ring finger mo sa 1st, 2nd, 3rd fret, 1st string. Ganito yung tunog ng C. Next is D chord. Sa 2nd fret yan, yung 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string, index, middle, and then ring finger. D. Okay, A minor, middle finger mo sa 4th string, 2nd fret. A minor. Next is D minor. Index mo sa 2nd string, tama ba? 2nd string ng 1st fret. Middle finger mo sa 4th string ng 2nd fret. And then your ring finger sa 3rd string ng 2nd fret. D minor. Next is C minor. Yung dating sa C, eto na siya. Dadagdag mo lang yung dalawa sa taas. So, yung 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd string, and then 1st string. Index, middle, and then ring finger. C minor. And there you have it, the 7 chords na kailangan natin sa awit na to. Our strumming pattern will be down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. A little bit slower. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Para naman sa finger picking pattern, gagamitin natin yung down, and then pluck mo yung 4th and 1st string, and then 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ulitin natin. Down, pluck mo yung 4th and 1st string, and then 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Down, 4th and 1st, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This should sound like this. Ganun. Okay? Para naman, kung makakakita ka ng broken chord, I mean yung may bracket na maghahati sila sa chord, ganito lang yung gagawin mo. Down, 4 and 1 and 2. Down, 4 and 1 and 2. I know sa mga super beginner, this will be overwhelming. Kaya dahan-dahan nating iisa-isahin yan. I-breakdown natin yan within this video. So, relax ka lang and pahinga mo yung kamay mo pag napapagod. Stretch. Okay. For the intro, G, B minor, C, and then G, half lang, B. So, ganon. Ganon yung ibig kong sabihin kanina kapag may broken, maghahati sila. Pag may bracket, maghahati sila. So, again, G, down, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then B minor, down, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then C, down, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then sa G at D, hati sila. So, down, 4 and 1 and 2. And then D, down, 4 and 1 and 2. Okay? Para naman sa verse, ganito lang yan. Gagawin ko na lang siyang play along para mas madali sa'yo, para masasabayan mo. So, ifo-flash ko na lang sa screen yung chord progression ng verses at saka nung chorus. So, sa verse 1, sa verse niya, it's G, B minor, 4 and 1, 2, 3, C, G, D, G, B minor, A minor, D. So, without me having to say the chords, ganito dapat siya. Siyasatin mo, Hesus, ang puso ko sa kasalanang nagawa laban sa'yo. Nagkatapat, sumasamo, tumulong sa harap ng banal trono. Ayun. Para naman sa chorus, G, ito yung chord progression, G. Sa C and D, hati sila. So, down, 4 and 1, 2, and then D. Tapos G ulit. D minor. G. And then C. Minor, hati sila ng D, and then G. Tapos D, pang ano yan, pang sustain. So, without me having to say the chords, this should sound like this. Lumalapit, di man karapat-dapat sa kabanalan mo. Biyaya at kawaan kapag walang sa'yo ay napuntan ko aking Hesus. And there you have it. Ang lahat ng mga kakailanganin mo para sa awiting ito. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana ay may natutunan ka sa ukulele tutorial na ito. And I hope to see you on my next one. Enjoy nyo yung play along. Siyasatin mo, Hesus. beyond.